Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Robert. I'm 21 years old and today I want to share with you the importance of having your money work for you. And this is possible because of something called passive income. My goal with this channel is to help you guys sort of figure yourselves out financially and maybe get you on a track to starting multiple income streams. So what do I do and why should you be listening to me? I invest in the stock market, I day trade stocks, I started my own real estate company. I mess with e-commerce a little bit. I have a successful eBay store actually at the moment, and I manage healthcare. Behind me, you can see that that's a license hanging up. I am certified to sell life insurance in the state of Missouri. Really random. Those are just a few of the things that I can earn income from or that earn me income. How do I have the time and the freedom to be able to learn so many different things and give them all the time of day that they need? And the answer to that is simple. It's freedom. That's ultimately what it comes down to. When you have passive income coming in, you have freedom to create other sources of income. And that's where I think everyone should be in life. They shouldn't be depending on that active income that they have to trade their time for. So today I want to discuss with you guys the importance of freedom and what you can do to get there. First, it starts with understanding that there's two types of income. You have the active income, which is your wages. You go to a job, you work, you trade your time for money, you're actively doing something in exchange for that income. And then you have passive income, which is money you're generating without actually being there. And this is possible because typically you set up a system, or the way the business model works, you don't have to actively be there. And an example of that is real estate. So with real estate, let's say you're renting out a house, you don't have to be at the house to get that rent. So that's passive income, and that's the gist of it. There's a lot of business ventures out there that allow you to get that residual income, that passive income. I mean, in my situation, for instance, when I day trade, that is considered active income, even if it's for an hour. If I'm putting an hour a day to make whatever sell money I do, that is considered active income because I'm sitting down and I'm on the computer, I'm looking at the charts, I'm making the trades. And it all comes down to diversifying your income streams. So personally, I enjoy having earned income sources and passive income sources. Now, my earned income isn't a typical job. Like, for instance, my life insurance license I have hanging up on the wall there, that's not a job where I have to clock in. So if I wake up one day and I decide to go out and sell life insurance policies, then I'll be making money. If I decide to sleep in or not act on anything, I won't be making money. That's just how it works. And for those of you just getting into it, keep your job until you have passive income streams that are, doubling or tripling what you would make on an annual basis. You don't have to be insanely smart. So for me, it really helped by understanding that there's two different types of income. And I don't know about you guys, but I really got excited with the idea of passive income. And here I am today. Which is why if you have the idea of starting your own business or doing your own thing, like starting your own company, you should just do it now. There's nothing really special to it. So let me ask you a question. Now that you understand the two different types of income, the active income and the passive income, which one sounds like the better option to you, right? Going and trading your hours for whatever amount of money you're worth, I mean, that is an option. Yes, it's a good option for everybody, but there's another option which it opens up an entire new world for you. The thing I like about passive income is that it gives me the freedom to be creative and come up with ideas and strategize on ways that I can make more money with different ventures. And that's something that I really enjoy doing. For some people, they wouldn't want that kind of pressure on them. In my mind, it's something that I enjoy. What step can you take towards getting to that passive income goal? And what I can say from my own experience is use your free time wisely. We all have free time. No matter how busy we are, we could be working 60 hours a week, we'll still have a few hours to spare, and that we're probably using to relax or to watch TV or Netflix, just leisure time. Use those few hours that you have very wisely and strategize and start learning different ways to make money. You have everything you need on your computer, on your phone. Like, all the information is out there. You just have to make the effort, put the effort in, and go find it. So once you make that commitment to, improve yourself on a knowledge basis, it's gonna be like a snowball effect. You're gonna realize that you're really good at it. You're gonna realize that you enjoy it. It'll be something that'll stick with you for life, as long as you stay consistent. And one thing I can say is that we were never told and never taught to think outside the box, which is what I'm doing to you right now. I'm telling you to be creative. Think of ways to create income without having to go the traditional route, because that's simply boring. Like, we live one life on this earth. Why wouldn't you want to go make the most out of it? So if you have the desire to free yourself from the crutches of the workforce, start by understanding that there's active income and passive income, and decide which one you prefer. And like I said, I am involved in both. I have income coming in from active things that I'm doing, and I have income coming in from passive sources. So it's not a bad thing to be doing both. I actually condone that in most young entrepreneurs. I think it's really foolish, and I've seen it happen to where people jump the gun and they quit their job, and then they're just kind of stuck, they're dried up because they failed at whatever they tried. So it's important to have that cash flow coming in. And then stop fearing that mental block that you have with starting whatever it is you want to start. Just go for it. That's all I gotta say. Just, if you have the idea, make it happen. And of course, use all of your energy and your spare time to improve yourself, to better yourself. And this goes on every level. I've said it before, spiritually, mentally, physically, doesn't matter. Just focus on improvement. Once you focus and you have latched onto that, you will see it change your life in a way you couldn't have ever imagined. This is for those of you that are kind of stuck in a rut with where you are. Don't worry, we've all been there. We've all done that. Just get through it. Find a way to get through it. And all I must add is that you are the only person who can change this for yourself. So everything that I just mentioned, you're the only person that can go out and make it happen. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for giving me your time of day to watch this video. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's see how fast we can grow this thing. I know I've kind of been off of it for about a week, but I've been doing other things. Alright guys, thank you so much once again, and I hope you guys all have a great day.